This easy technique is going to help you stop sweating on your face.
Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm a pharmacist obsessed with health, beauty and wellness. I love to try new products and post every single week, so make sure you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a technique with you guys which is 100% natural, which actually will help you to stop sweating on your face. So it is really humid, it is really hot, we are all really sweaty, and you know, when it's summer you don't want to sweat on your face. Sometimes it can just be plain annoying, but sometimes when we wear makeup we don't want to sweat the makeup off. So this technique is an all natural Pakistani technique, I would say, because I actually learned it from my mom, and it is super easy to do. The key ingredient of our remedy today is alum stone. Now this is what alum stone actually looks like, and it actually just looks like a big crystal, and this is also known as PHITKARI in Pakistan. So what we use this for is as an antibacterial and an antimicrobial. A lot of people use it to purify their water, but one other thing it is amazing for is stopping sweat. And what this actually does is naturally it creates a barrier which isn't like going to clog your pores or anything, but it will prevent you from sweating like crazy. So what I actually do in the summertime, it's a really easy technique. It only takes a couple of minutes and you guys can easily incorporate it into a routine. Is what you need to do is first you need to wet your skin. So you can definitely use water to wet your skin, or I like to use a little bit of rose water. If you are gonna apply makeup or anything, I would say do it after you do this technique. So what you want to do is you want to just spray a little bit and make sure that the area that you're going to be applying the alum stone to is wet. The second step is to rub the alum stone on the wet area. So if you do have extremely sensitive skin, you can always powder this up, just crush it up and apply the powder to your skin. My skin is okay at the moment, so I'm just going to start applying this, and do it really gently, guys. If you're gonna be like rubbing this, you know, crystal on your skin, it can irritate it, so just be really gentle, and you do not need a lot. So I know I'm going to get a lot of questions about this, whether you can use it in your armpits, and 100% you can use it as an underarm, you know, sweat remover. You can use it as a natural deodorant, and I even know brands that actually just sell this in a tube and you use it as a crystal deodorant. It's usually called crystal deodorant. So after you have applied the alum stone or the PHITKARI, you want to just dry the area, and it will take maybe a couple of seconds to dry. And then the step afterwards is very important as well, guys. You want to powder it down. So the reason we are powdering it is because, you know, just if we've got any excess sweat, the powder will blot that. So the powder I'm using is the Bake and Blot powder by Revolution. You can definitely use any translucent powder. Make sure it's like really finely milled, and then you want to just get the powder, blow away the excess and dab it on the area. So after doing this, it should like really set the alum stone in place, and you really should not get any sweat all day. It is going to be perfect. You will not be sweating, and you can, even if you're doing this underneath your armpits, you can definitely apply a little bit of powder underneath, and that really will keep your armpits dry as well. For underneath your armpits, you don't need to use an expensive blotting powder. You can definitely just use a bit of talcum powder, and that is my super easy technique on how you can stop sweating on your face. If this video helped you, please do give my video a big thumbs up, or even if you've just learned something, I want you guys to tell me in the comments section below, and I would love for you guys to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Bye.